In today's video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the Metatrader 5 application. So the first thing is when you open the application, you're going to see what we call the quotes tab. The quotes tab here, when you click on it, the quotes tab you see on startup gives us a list of instruments you can trade with. You can add more instruments by clicking on the plus icon. So this plus icon, yeah, when you tap the instrument, it appears on the quotes tab. So I'm going to go to the Forex indicator area and then pick on any instrument of my choice. So let's say I want to trade USD NGN. So I'm going to click on it. And then when I go back, I'm going to see it here. So you see, this is USD and NGN. So that's it. You can also remove instruments by clicking the pencil icon and then the bin icon. Like I want to remove the same instrument that I just added. So I'm going to go to click the pencil icon and then click the bin icon. Then I click the NGN and then press delete. So it's deleted. Then to place a trade, you tap the instrument, for example, Euro USD, or yeah, so I'll tap on Euro USD, then I go to new order. New order helps us to open a new order. Okay, it helps us to open a trade. Okay, when you click on it, you open a trade. As you can see, we have sell by market. We also have buy by market. Okay, then we also have what we call the charts option. Okay, the chart option. Now the chart
Has life's unexpected expenses got you down? Fam Money's got your back. Get up to 3 million
option, that's from here. When I click on the Euro USD, from the chart option, it takes you to the charts to see how the particular instrument is behaving. Okay, so for example, if I click on it, it's going to show me the chart of Euro USD. Okay, yeah, this is how Euro USD is and has been behaving for. So this is the daily chart. So of course I can change the time frame. So this is it. This is the 4 hour chart and this is the 1 hour chart. Okay. Then still back to still on the Euro USD. Now we can, when you click on it again, it's going to show you another option, which is the properties. Now the property just displays the details of the contract specifications. Okay. You don't need to bother yourself about this too much. So you can just ignore that. Then we also have what we call the market statistics. The market statistics is a breakdown of the pricing information. Okay, it's a breakdown of the pricing information. We have the bid high, bid low, ask high, ask low, open price, close price, and all of that. Okay, so all those are not so necessary in as regards to what I'm trying to pass across to you. Then we also have the simple view mode. Okay, the simple view mode gives us it's just a view. Okay, we also have other options like the advanced view mode. So it has changed to advanced view mode. So I'm going to take it back to the simple view mode. So that's about that. Then we go to what we call okay, let's say you want to place a trade. Okay, you clicked on the new order option. Okay, let's say you want to place a trade and you click on the new order option. There are different kinds of trades you can place. Okay, different kinds of trades you can place. We have what we call the market execution. Now, the market execution is the most popular kind of trade you can place. What this just does is that you enter the market immediately or at the current market price. So whether you're buying or selling, you just enter here. So as you can see at the top here, this is my card JPY. I just clicked on it and then you can see market execution there. So we can either buy or sell immediately. It's going to be triggered at the exact market price. Okay. Then we have the next option, which is called the buy stop. The buy stop simply tells us that as the market moves up, we say the market. So this is the buy stop. When you click on this, you're going to see buy stop. So we're saying that as the market moves up, let's say the market is bullish. Of course, terms like that, you're going to understand them very soon. But bullish simply means it's on a buying run, on a is going up, then bearish means it's going down. So let's say the market is bullish, we buy. As the market moves down, we say the market is bearish, so we sell. Do you understand? So I'm going to place for a buy stop trade now. We simply place our pending buy order somewhere above the current market price. Above the current market price. So if I click on buy stop now, it's going to show me a price area. So now I'm going to have to place my trade at a point where the market has not gotten to yet. So as it's going up and it finally triggers that particular trade, it will activate it. Okay, so I'm going to place it somewhere above the current market price, and the trade is activated when the price reaches the point where I placed my order. Okay, and then for a sell stop, which we can find still the same area. Still, let me open the card JPY order sell stop. Yes. So the same thing. I am saying that the market's going to go down. So it's basically the opposite of the buy stop. In this case, as the market drops, I place my trade below the current price so that I am triggered into the trade when the price drops and gets to that point. So that's what the sell stop and is all about. Then we also have what we call the buy limit. We have what we call the buy limit. So let me open it. Now, the buy limit is I expect the market to go up to be bearish, but then I placed my order below the market price so that as the market drops, it activates it and then starts buying. Okay. And then the sell limit is the opposite. In this case, I expect a bearish market. So, but I place my trade above the current market price so that as the market rises, that's for the sell limit. So that as the market rises to the order, it activates it and then it drops. Okay. Then we also have what we call the buy stop limit and the sell stop limit. So I'm not going to talk much about that, but you can just ignore that. Then I want to quickly move to another point where we have looking at your trades here, looking at this same, okay, sorry, order. Looking at the same new order, you notice something where was written SL. SL actually means stop loss. Now we use this stop loss to specify a particular point where we expect our broker to close our trades automatically if the price is going against our predicted or anticipated direction. So this means it helps us to, like the name implies, literally stop the loss. And then looking at the right hand side, you see what was written TP. TP simply stands for take profit. We use this to specify a particular point where we expect the broker to close our trades automatically as price goes in our favor. This is closing profit. Okay, so that's what we call TP, take profit. Now let's look at the chart tab. So sorry, I could have made some example, but this is Saturday, and Saturday is the market is closed, so won't be able to take any trade. So let's look at the chart tab, but it's very simple anyway. So looking at the chart tab, some of the options you see on the chart tab. Okay, now we have what we call the crosshair. The crosshair we use to pinpoint. If you look at the top, you notice something like a plus. It's called the crosshair. Okay, yeah. When you click on the crosshair, we use it to pinpoint prices on the charts. Okay, the crosshair. Then we also have what we call the indicator. We have the indicator. So when you click on the indicator, it helps you to add pre-installed indicators on the charts. Okay, pre-installed indicators. For example, let's say I want to add average directional movement ADX. So I come here, click, and boom, go back to the chart. So you see indicator has been added. Okay. Then we have what we call the symbol. We can also change the instrument from here, the symbol. Okay. You can use that to change your instrument. Sorry, this is actually the time frame, not the symbol. So when you click on this, you can navigate to any of the time frames, maybe H4, 4 hour, W1, that's weekly chart. You can also switch to the weekly 15 minutes chart or whatever. Okay. So that is that. And also we have a quick, when you click on the other stuff there, the last thing you're seeing there, it's going to give you the options of doing a quick buy. So you can open a quick trade like immediately, almost immediately. So you can click on sell and click on buy. So if you notice, they are not activated. That's to tell you that you can't buy now, neither can you sell now because the market is simply on holiday. Okay. All right. Then we move straight into what we call the trade tab. When you click on the trade tab, it's going to show you where your trading accounts activity is. You see, when you tap any trade, you can add more details about the trade. Okay, when you long press a particular trade, you get the options to modify, close, and put new order. So this is the trade tab. If you notice, this is a new account. I actually had to open this account for the purpose of this demonstration. So there's nothing here. No money has been added here at all. So this just tells us balance, equity, and free margin. So let's say we enter the trade and we come to this point where we have trade. That's where you're going to see everything running. Okay. So that's that. Then when you move to the history point, yeah, the same thing. The history just shows you your history, okay, and all of that. So that's basically that. I hope this video helps you to navigate the